Hello my YouTube viewers, it's Crystal here. I'm attempting to make this video for the second time. You know, I have a hard time finding free screen recorders, but this is a Samsung free screen recorder and I was able to get it to make one video, so I'm going to try my luck and see if I can get it to make a second video. And this is going to be how to use XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Now, in my work, I normally use VLOOKUP, and the reason why is because in my work we use Excel 16, and Excel 16 doesn't have XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is in the newer versions of Excel, but XLOOKUP is intended to replace VLOOKUP, index, and match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP in case you have an older version of Excel. So the first thing that we do is we have our little array of data, which has two columns, which has a product name and a price. And the product name is apple, banana, orange, and mango, and it gives the price for that. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to type banana, which I've already done. And then we're going to go into XLOOKUP and see if we can find the banana in the array. So XLOOKUP equals, so you have to say equal before you do a formula, because that equal is letting Excel know that you're doing a formula. So equals XLOOKUP brackets D1, which is the banana, and then comma A2 to A5. And we have the dollar signs in between A2 and A5 to let you know that this is an absolute reference. And then you have B2 to B5, also an absolute reference. And if it's not there, then what it will do is it will print not found. But what we did was we did actually find the banana, and it has a price of 30 pence. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for a peach. We're going to see if we can find a peach in this array of data. And so there's our formula equals XLOOKUP, the D2, comma A2 to A5, comma B2 to B5, and then if it doesn't find it in there, then it's going to be, say, not found. So it looked for A2 to A5, it didn't find it in A2 to A5, so it couldn't give you a price, so it just said not found. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use VLOOKUP, so you can see how VLOOKUP is different from XLOOKUP. And as I said, XLOOKUP is supposed to be replacing VLOOKUP. So we type apple into D3, and then we use our VLOOKUP formula equals VLOOKUP D3 brackets D3 A2 to B5. So now what you're doing is you're looking at the entire array, which is A2 to B5, and then you're looking on the second column, and false means you're looking for exact spelling. And so we found that an apple is 50p. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for a tangerine and see if tangerine is in this list. So this is a little bit more difficult. So it's equal, we're using an if statement. If brackets is in A, brackets VLOOKUP D4, comma A2 to B5, and it's the second column, and it's false equals true. So if it's not there, if it is in A, that's not applicable or not a number, it's not there, then you're going to type not found. And if it is there, it's going to type up VLOOKUP D4 A2 to B5 2, which is the second column, and false. So a tangerine isn't in that array, so it types not found. So now we're going to look at orange, see if orange is in that data. in the array. We're going to use exactly the same formula that we previously used, except for the fact that it's going to be D5 this time, and if it's not there equals true, it's going to type not found. Otherwise, it's going to use the VLOOKUP formula. And so it is there. So I used the VLOOKUP formula, and you found out that an orange is 60p. So that's basically how you use XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, and it does come in handy. I use VLOOKUP because I have to use Excel 16 at work, and I use VLOOKUP for my work to find out what team somebody is on, basically. And obviously that's all I can tell you about that because it's a work-related matter. But I just wanted to show my YouTube viewers how to use VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I look forward to communicating with you in the next one.